Now we have part 3 of the terrarium glass replacement. It's got a lot of edges to clean up. Once everything cures and settles down. Say, not too bad. I couldn't find the G4 stuff that this guy used, so I just used this Lexel. We're not going to seal it with water. We're not going to put water in it anyway, so I don't have to worry about it being watertight. Yeah. Cracked and broken to this. There you go, guys. For anybody trying to repair one of these like this plastic's relatively brittle. This runner here for the glass. I still use the heat gun on it just to get some of the stuff loose enough to remove it. If you heat it up too much and warp it, if you'll heat it up again, it will go back to its original shape for the most part. You may have to form it a little bit, but nonetheless, it'll go back in there. There you go. 75-gallon tank repair.